In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google account without phone number verification on laptop. Now, there are multiple approaches that we can go ahead and take, but one method that I really suggest that you guys do is open an incognito tab or open up a guest profile on your device. So I'm just going to be opening up a guest profile over here, and you could basically do the same thing on an incognito tab as well. All right, and this is basically going to prevent us from getting cookies and stuff like that from previous phone numbers or anything like that. But from here, what you want to do is you want to look up Google account creation, just like so. The thing is, Google is not dumb, and they're constantly making changes to the way the account creation is set up. So just keep that in mind in case you're watching this video a couple months in the future or even years. But what you want to do is you want to select on create a Gmail account, just like so. And then once you're here, all you want to do is you want to press on this option that says create an account. Then you want to go ahead and select on create account one more time. Then you guys can select whether it's for personal use, your child, or work or business. I'm just going to be selecting for personal use, just like so. Then you want to go ahead and enter in the first and last name. The last name is optional, but I recommend that you guys do that. And then afterwards, it is going to ask you for more basic information like your birthday and your gender. So go ahead and fill it in with whatever numbers you want over here. So I'm just going to be filling it out really quickly. And then you just want to press on next. Then you want to go ahead and select on your username. So this is going to be the Gmail address that you're going to be using in order to log in and out. So you really want to make sure that you know what it is and make sure that it is something that you could remember. And I recommend that you just put it down on like a piece of paper. But for this video, I'm just going to be creating a random username really quickly. All right, afterwards, you want to go ahead and press on next, just like so. Then you want to go ahead and create a password. Make sure that this password is something that you remember. I'll make one really quickly. All right, so if you get to a point that looks like this, we have multiple different options that we can go ahead and take. So sometimes what could happen is that you may not even get this screen in the first place. And sometimes it is going to allow you to skip it. So that is definitely something that you guys could do. A virtual phone number could also help you out in this instance over here, and there's many great services out there where you can get virtual phone numbers, but one service that I really recommend is Google Voice, just like so. So you need to go ahead and press on that and basically create a Google Voice account. And the way it works is that you use a pre-existing phone number. So it could be any phone number out there. It could be like a friend of yours. It could be like a parent, a guardian, etc., a sibling, or even like a cousin or something like that. And basically you're able to get your own phone number afterwards. So it's a completely different phone number. So basically it is going to allow you to get your very own phone number, which you could then use over here. And then afterwards you should be good to go. Another thing that I recommend that you guys try out is to try to create your account via other Google services apart from the Google account creation form. So what I mean by that is go ahead and just open up something like YouTube, for example. And then what you want to do is you want to create your Gmail account from here. So you need to go ahead and select on sign in. Then you would need to press on create account. Then you can go ahead and do the process again and again. And sometimes it will actually bypass it. And if you guys have any other methods that you know of, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.